How you doing? And thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings, your number one source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment for cars, vans, trucks, buses, SUVs, and everything between. As you can see, we've got a brand new 2021 Chevrolet 2500 HD in here. This is Silverado, standard cab, long bed. Just a regular old plain Jane work truck. Doesn't have a lot of features or LED fanciness like the Denali's on this one. So if you have a Chevrolet grille similar to this one, you can see has very large rectangular honeycomb type pattern and very few, if any, flat edges to mount lighting of any kind. So what we've done here is we've mounted our Razor LED. We want it in all amber display, so we've activated it in an amber pattern. And as you can see, it kind of varies between the speed there. It's a quick double flash and then a little slower double flash alternation. This is a sanitary district municipal truck, so it's not going to be involved in any high-speed pursuit. Most of the time, it'll be on the side of a residential or medium-speed roadway. Around the back, because the Chevy Silverado still at this year has incandescent reverse bulbs, we decided to go with our Lin 6 in amber right in the step pocket, and we went with our LED HAW Duo in a low dome in the third brake light. Now this Silverado does not have the fancy fin style third brake light, has the standard one, the regular work truck one, so you are able to put an LED HAW in there. We mounted the Razor right there at the top of the grill using VHB tape and a slight modification to the grill. I'm going to link a video that shows you exactly how to do this mount, so if you're interested in further explanation on how we mounted that, be sure to check out the sister video where I go over how we did that. Here around back of the truck, you can see those LIN-6. We have them in a split 3x3 flashing pattern. That's a triple flash 75 FPM split. We also alternate the LED HAW in the third brake light at a much faster rate. I believe that's a 375 single flash alternation. This gives a nice wide display of amber, no dark spots whatsoever. Again, as I said, this truck is not involved in any real excessively high speed situations, so these patterns are perfect for that. The steps alternate 3x3, create a real nice bright illumination that never goes out, and the top bouncing back and forth real fast does a great job as well. You can see how that LIN-6 fills the step pocket. Now this is a straight amber, but we have that in many different colors. So you can also get that and the HAW Duo above it in many different colors. Alrighty, there you can see that LIN-6 mounted right there in the step pocket. A real easy mount, just drill a hole for the wiring, use the included stainless screws to mount it and the foam gasket, and away you go. I don't have a tutorial on that because I think the hardest thing is to just make sure that you get it level and you don't put it on crooked. So I think you guys got that covered. Now up here in the third brake light, I do have a DIY video, shows you all about how to put a hideaway inside a cargo light just like this. It also shows you how to retain the factory cargo light feature, because I mean, who would want to have the good strobes and have to lose the factory lighting? So I have a DIY video, shows you all about how to do that modification, putting your HAWs into your cargo light. As long as your cargo light looks like this, you're good to go. Here in the cab of the truck, I like to put a little switch right here for a couple of reasons. One, it looks cool. It shines up onto the tachometer a little bit at nighttime. Real hard to miss it while you're driving away. You can very much see the reflection. And two, it is very visible when you're sitting in the seat. So if you like this location, it's fairly easy. Take this panel off. You can come down this way with the wiring and over that way. Not a big to-do about it. Just drill a 3/4 inch hole. A little bit larger than 3/4 makes it easy to get the switch in with your 90-degree drill, and away you go. Thanks again for tuning in to Wicked Warnings. We're your number one source for construction and emergency safety products, like you see all through this video. We're going to link every one of these products in the video below, so make sure that you check the description for links to all of these products, or go right back to the website, wickedwarnings.com. You'll find every one of these products and more. And we urge you to stay tuned, subscribe, and like so you can get links to the next video. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you soon.